Make your Gammas more interactive with the Calendly integration. You can seamlessly incorporate scheduling capabilities within your presentations, documents, and websites. The Calendly integration opens up exciting possibilities for various users. For consultants, enhance your service websites by combining compelling content with easy scheduling. Potential clients can learn about your expertise and book a consultation in one seamless experience, making it easier to convert interest into meetings. For sales teams, transform your pitch decks into conversion tools by embedding booking links directly in your presentations. During or after your pitch, prospects can instantly schedule follow-up meetings or product demos without leaving your Gamma. For event organizers, streamline webinar registration by embedding group event scheduling right into your promotional materials. Attendees can access all the event information and secure their spot through a single professional interface. Let's learn more about it. How to add the integration. There are 3 simple ways to add Calendly scheduling to your Gammas. Direct paste. Simply paste the Calendly link into your card. Gamma will show your Calendly link. Use Gamma's / command. Type /Calendly and paste your Calendly link or embed code. The scheduling widget will instantly appear in your presentation. Use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Forms and Buttons section and find the Calendly option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add your scheduling link. Now, let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Once you've inserted your Calendly widget, click on the Advanced option to access additional configuration settings. Here, you can adjust the display settings and metadata, particularly useful when showcasing scheduling options on websites. You can also click on the display options to choose different ways to showcase your scheduling link. Embed displays the full Calendly scheduling interface within your Gamma. Preview shows the link with a title and description. Button attaches the scheduling link to a button. Link displays the regular URL. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, you can place your Calendly widget alongside other content using columns to create comprehensive landing pages. You can also insert scheduling options within other components like tables and smart layouts. And that's how you integrate Gamma with Calendly. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for turning your content into conversion opportunities. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas. Powered by AI.